Okay, so we know that the households are taxed. Okay, so basically since this over here, okay, shows the portion of income that is not held as retained profit, which means that it's earned by the households, is going to be, okay, your amount of tax, your income tax rate multiplied by theta multiplied by y. Okay, and you have to add this the corporate tax to it as well. So we know that the corporate tax, okay, is a function of is a product of 1 minus theta y. There we go. So now we've got our I, we got our C, we got our I and our G. Okay, so now here comes the really complicating part. Okay, which I hope to finish soon. Okay, let's go. AE, let me check whether you can see that. Okay, AE equals to at equilibrium y, alright, CO plus C1L 1 minus income tax alpha theta y plus C1K 1 minus T 1 minus A theta y plus I naught R naught plus 1 minus theta. Oh, I'm so sorry you can't see that. Okay, wait up, I'm almost done. 1 minus corporate tax y. Wait, let me move the camera out a bit so that you can. Okay, I'm going on to the next line. Okay, plus T theta y plus TC 1 minus theta y. Oh my goodness, look at this AE equation, man. Look, see, okay, I hope you can see that. Okay, I'll read it out to you again. It's basically C plus I plus G. Okay, so my components for C is this. Okay, if you can't see, pause the video and check it out. Alright, this is my I, right, and this is my G. Right? Okay, I'm going to throw this away right now. Okay, so let's get back to this equation. Okay, we will find the multiplier by tonight. Okay, now we're going to move all the y components to the left side. Okay, and because there's like so many components, okay, and the AE equation is going to be very long, so this is what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to isolate all the components that has got y in the equation to the left hand side. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to remove everything and just replace it by A. Okay, I mean this is going to make our lives easier lah, I mean for sure. Okay, it's still as long but okay, then this whole thing is going to equal A. Alright, and which is a function of interest rates. Okay, just interest rates. Alright, now we're gonna factorize y out of this. Okay, and the rest is going to be thrown over to the right hand side. Okay, as the multiplier. So y equals to, okay, I hope you can visualize this, A R naught. Okay, now we can focus purely on the multiplier itself. Okay, let's use black for that. Okay, so when we take everything out, and if you don't know how to form the multiplier, please go back to the macroeconomic multiplier video and view how to formulate the multiplier. Okay, so now we have taken out y, and we're gonna factorize the minus sign as well. So it's gonna be, okay, it's gonna be divided 1 minus bracket. Okay, remember to write the bracket this way so that you don't confuse the C. Okay, for the MPC part. Okay, and we're gonna do as follows. A theta C1K 1 minus T 1 minus alpha theta plus 1 minus theta 1 minus TC plus T multiplied by theta plus TC multiplied by 1 minus theta. Okay, and 1. Okay, there we go. Alright, so this is a multiplier. Okay, yeah, okay, So basically, this portion over here is going to be a multiplier. Okay, and similar to how we will analyze the rest of the questions, if there's a change in any of the components right here, all you gotta do is you gotta differentiate m in respect to whatever component has changed. Okay, whatever, maybe if it's detour or what. Okay, the question here says that there's been an increase in let me check it out. Yeah, the share of labor in national income is declining. Okay, so we know that alpha is the income by labor, so basically we differentiate in terms of A and we find out whether there's a positive or a negative relationship between this. Okay, and from there we can talk about the shifting and rotating of the IS curve as well as your AE curve. Okay, that solves the problem. I've checked the answers and this is the multiplier. After that, how you do the question, okay, should be completely fine. Just take note that since now there has been a fall in the share of labor in national income, basically means that your SAS curve is going to shift also. It's going to shift down. It's going to shift to the left. Okay, because there is now lesser supply of labor, so your IS curve, the SAS curve is going to shift left. Okay, so this is something that once you do the question you're going to find out. Okay, next thing I want to show you guys is that once you are drawing your IS curve, right? Okay, once you're drawing your IS curve, okay, what you need to do, okay, what you need to do for your IS curve is that in these brackets you have all the components, right, that affects the IS curve, right? You're gonna put in all the endogenous factors in it. Okay, don't just put G naught and T naught. Okay, it's gonna show a little bit that you don't understand what actually shifts the IS curve. Okay, so now from the multiplier equation, okay, we know that the IS curve is affected by government spending, okay, and all the rest of the autonomous spending, but we will put G because it's most prominent, okay, and your tax rate as well as your corporate tax rate and your deter and your alpha. Okay, so you have to put this inside the brackets because this is to show that you understand what changes and shifts or rotates the IS curve. Okay, I've come to the end of the video. I hope that you can attempt this question. It's really fun. And if you want the question, if you're not in SIM, I'll be glad to share it with you. Okay, thank you for watching. Alright, I wish you all the best for your exams. Okay, this is the last stretch, guys, so let's push hard. Thank you.